right around 7 o'clock or so. Finding our spot for the night, and then tomorrow we'll be heading into Joshua Tree. We're really where everybody parties at too, because there's beer bottles galore. Heading into Joshua Tree National Park today. Hopefully they give us some sort of little map, because I did a little bit of research on the trails, but I'm not too sure of what we're gonna go check out. So stay tuned for that. First breakfast, making some sandwiches and food.
In a movie, you know, he's playing God in the movie, and she asked him if you had magic power, what would you do with it? He said you wouldn't have to stitch your clothes on. That was a joke. That was it.
Okay, we're saying goodbye to this spot. It was a good night, very peaceful. Nothing woke us up. I was a little bit paranoid at first, but I kind of get like that. I don't know why. Maybe it's because we just started traveling again. But yeah, so it was a nice day. Had some dinner, watched some TV.
Everywhere we go.
Disgusting that people do this.
Everywhere we go.
Literally just throw it in the trash. We got the America the Beautiful Pass finally. So we do plan to hit up a lot of national parks. Finally made it into the park. Not quite sure of what trails we're going to get to, but it's on the map, so. It looks kind of the same inside the park as it does outside of the park at this point.
It kind of does.
I think it is. It looks like where we stayed last night.
I will say there's more Joshua Tree shows.
Yeah, there is more Joshua trees actually. Starting to see a lot more Joshua trees. It's pretty cool. It's a different kind of tree right there. It looks like a palm tree almost. We are headed to Keys View, which is here. It's just a little lookout point. We've driven all of this because we came in through the north entrance. So this is what Keys View is all about. Massive overlook.
Is that Palm Springs?
I think Palm Springs is actually on the other side, on that side. This is not. This is Joshua Tree itself, I want to say.
Or Morongo.
Yeah. It's pretty nice, huh, babe?
Yep. It is pretty nice. The pictures
You can see
don't do
Palm
justice. You really have to be here in person.
Yeah. You can see Palm Springs Valley. Where else did it say? Coachella.
You can see Coachella.
Ocotillo. Or Salton Sea.
Salton Sea.
Yep.
You can see it all. Indian Wells.
So it was pretty cool. Now back to the camper. Gonna go to the next spot. I think, what is it? Something Dam? What was it called?
Oh.
I don't know.
A dam. We're going
Some
to a
sort of
dam.
We made it to the Barker Dam. I think it's just a little loop around trail that we're gonna do right now. And then it leads to another, which we'll see what the sign says. I forget the name of it. Nice and rocky though. I feel like most of what's in this park is the Joshua trees and then just like rock formations, these kinds of rocks. So it says it's a 2.2 mile loop. Kind of sandy. So I would say what, this is moderate for somebody?
I would say
Moderate.
Moderate because of the sand.
We've already continued back on the loop, so we're now on the way back. This side is much more sunny than the other. That was covered by the rocks.
Isn't this where that guy came out?
Yeah. Alright. We just parked the rig. Looking pretty good. Had a little lunch. Wonder if we can walk back through here. What do you think?
Oh, a paper bag bush. You're
Look
right.
at this.
That's a paper bag.
Look at this hat.
Wait, ready?
No, I hate that look. The Woody look?
The Woody look.
I can't.
I can sombrero it. Oh yeah, it's a little Indiana Jones-ish. A little bit.
Alright, we're headed out of Joshua Tree and head out to Tacoma and head up the hot spring and then on to Amargosa and Death Valley in the next couple days.